Hello, welcome to today's lecture, English Language Teachers Competence, Roots and Roots. Teacher competence is at the core of education. A compromise at any level on teacher competence may seriously affect the so-called standards of education and in the current terms, the learning outputs. This is more crucial in the case of English as a second language, as opposed to content subjects such as physics, social sciences, computer sciences, and so on. The reason is that if teacher competence is inadequate in the case of a second or foreign language, the whole structure collapses. It need not be so in the content subject. Even if the teacher's competence is not up to the mark, learners have various other sources to depend on, to draw inspiration from, and to interact with. In the case of a foreign language, and that too when it is taught in a formal setup like a classroom, the major source of or the only source of exposure is the teacher. And if the teacher's competence in communication itself is below average, nothing can compensate that loss. The learner is always at the receiving end. In the case of other subjects, there are sources from which the learner can compensate the loss in the class. Whereas, in the case of English in India, not only in the classroom, but outside as well, it is the teacher's directions, help, assistance, pointing out that enables the learner to get more and more exposed. Any sort of compromise in the case of language competence, methodological awareness, classroom management will be a disastrous effect on learning. It is in this context I would like to talk on ESL, English as a second language, teacher competency, the roots and the roots. The first roots are WOTS, refer to the teacher's education up to the induction programs, such as teacher training programs like D.Ed, Diploma in Education, or B.Ed. The second ROUTS refers to the in-service programs, the regular ones offered by various government agencies, and the self-willed continuing, say, enrichment programs like CPDs. At the in-service level, whatever is provided by the government agencies have proved not to be adequate enough. A self-willed teacher, in association with like-minded people, can enrich oneself to great heights, especially since it is language. Language exists in the form of communication only when there are at least two. This interaction is the crucial factor in continuing professional development. Thank you.